episode of Bake and Cook with Nila Louise and Isabella Louise. My beautiful daughter Isabella Louise. So today's episode we are going to make banoffee cake. Yay! Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to update on our videos. Let's start. So first,
Mama, give me. Why? Pinky color. Pinky soda. Pinky. Set aside. Butter. Sugar.
very good.
Put in the mixture. Ready? Add vanilla. Thank you.
Welcome.
Mix again.
Scary?
Add one at a time. I want. Add the fried mixture.
Strong. Baba.
Ready? To bake.
So our banoffee cake is now ready. Wow, look at that Bella. She is getting the chocolate chips. You slice it. Yummy? It was a yummy banoffee cake. Thank you guys for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!